Trucks are incredibly awesome. They're all unique in their own possible way. Every truck that comes through LDV that has graphics on it, we've touched it and we've put those on. I've learned how to install the decals on the sides of the trucks. I've learned a lot about detailing the insides of trucks, the outsides of trucks. I've learned a lot about different tools and how to use them. It's been a good experience. I felt really stuck where I was, and I wanted to move on to bigger and better things. I enjoy the fact that every day when I come to work, I know I'm going to have something to work on. Everybody works well together, everybody communicates well together, and at the end of the day, because of the good communication and the great teamwork, the trucks get out on time. LDV is a very family-oriented company. LDV has helped me out numerous times, and it's situations like those that make me really appreciate this place. It makes me feel like I have a purpose now. Before, at my old job, it didn't seem like I was making a difference for anybody. I came here and I actually get to interact with the customers and talk with them and help them out, and it makes me feel good. It's an enjoyable experience. I love coming to work every day.